Recently, NextEnergy launched, it's known as NextChallenge for lighting. And what it is, it's a way to globally source lighting innovation ideas that will find their way into products or operations for Michigan headquartered companies. We were fortunate enough to secure 2 industry sponsors that are working with us. Ford Motor Company, which is sponsoring an innovation challenge specifically around next generation lighting systems and products that will go into their future vehicle platforms.
Yeah, really what we're looking for, both the interior and exterior of our vehicles, one of the prime things we're looking for is advancements in LEDs and OLEDs, right? We're on the cusp of developing OLEDs, and we like the OLEDs because in a vehicle environment, we have a limited package space, and the OLEDs can provide that. We're also looking for products for recyclability because we're a very green company.
A second industry sponsor is working with us by the name of RecoveryPark, and they're a major urban farming operation in southeastern Michigan.
So RecoveryPark's technology challenge was about lighting in particular. And one of the opening conversations was about the difference between watts and lumens. And it's an area that I understand really well because watts are what I pay to the electric provider, but lumens are what causes photosynthesis in the plants. So how do we bring enough lumens so that we can grow things like tomatoes and cucumbers and peppers indoors year-round? Because Michigan gets snow, and Michigan gets dark weather because of the snow, and so it's a very effective way for us to grow. So the technology around how can we mimic Mother Nature, how can we get the growing cycles of July and August in terms of length of time, in terms of amount of lumens for that photosynthesis to take place, and how can we do it cheaply, so tying it into a DC power grid.
We are very fortunate to work with Ford and RecoveryPark specifically to have them be very open about their innovation needs in lighting, and then make that known to our lighting innovation community, particularly here in Michigan, where we have a very robust group of companies in all parts of the lighting value chain.
The NextChallenge is asking for submissions to our request for solutions in the spring, in March of 2015. In April of 2015, those selected are going to be invited to come do one-on-one meetings with the sponsors, with the customers, be it Ford or RecoveryPark. And so companies should expect that at that point there's going to be many more questions. There's going to be really an acceleration of how their technology is being looked at by these customers. There's going to be a lot of pull to move very, very quickly and to answer these customers' questions.
The NextChallenge for lighting will award up to $80,000 of cash and in-kind prizes for both the Ford Motor Company Lighting Innovation Challenge as well as the RecoveryPark Agricultural Lighting Challenge.